My name is Kwok-yin. I'm the Senior Relationship Service Manager of a bank. Paul is one of my regular clients. He owns a fairly large toy factory that operates out of Dongguan. What's wrong with you today? Paul, are you having problems with your mistress again?
If only that was the case.
Business problems?
Missed again? About the last loan I got from your bank. If you could help postpone my repayment schedule for 6 months, that would be perfect.
What happened? Did someone fail to pay you?
No. I just want to make some investments.
Really? All right then, come see me at the bank tomorrow.
It's a date.
It's impossible. With your factory's current financial status, the bank will not authorize an extension.
Think of a way. The failing economy has affected business and lowered product turnover. If my factory goes down, you lose out too.
It's not that I don't want to help you, but as you know, the rules of the bank are quite strict.
Are you just going to stand by while I die? Don't forget that you bought plenty of my company's shares through your wife's account.
If you didn't boast so much about your company from the start, I wouldn't have told my wife to invest in it.
It may not be easy to understand. Do you have a solution or not?
But your financial report is really a mess.
It's settled then. I'll find someone to upgrade the report to fulfill the bank's requirements, all right? So, how did it go?
It's still under review.
Under review, I've already removed all the bad debts and boosted the asset values. The report is problem-free. I know what to do. After we get past this, I'll give your wife an extra large year-end dividend.
That seems...
It's settled then. I'll break this time.